So welcome the students of Botany College. So this video I'm going to discuss about the text input and output in Python. So far what we have done is all output. We printed the screen, we printed using the print function. It's not very interactive, is it? The conversation kind is of one-sided. Take a second and think about the application that you use. Just about every one of them gather information from you, whether that be a field, a checkbox, button click, or telling a bird when to flap its wings. Every application you make is going to need to gather some information from its user, and that is called input. Gathering input from the user from the command line is pretty straightforward. So let's get to it. I'm going to open this wing where I can use the Python statements, and I call it as a Python workspace. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the command for getting the input from the user. It's pretty simple, pretty simple to remember, is what is called input. We'll use an input function. This function will take the parameter. I am going to put the string in double quotes, which is the parameter, like what is your name. This text is going to be displayed on the console when we run the program, and it will prompt the user to enter the input, and it will take the user input. I'm going to assign that user input to the variable. Yep, so could be name equal input. Yep, and I'm going to print that name. Yep, and I'm going to save it and run it. It's giving me an error. So what? The indentation error. So I'm going to save it and run it. So it's what is your name. So it's prompted me what was given as a parameter to the input function. So it's waiting for user to enter. So I'm going to enter input, which is Helen. So my name is Helen, and I'm going to, as I'm going to press enter, this is going to assign that to the variable name, and that variable name is being printed as Helen over here. So I'm going to do another simple thing is, I'm going, rather than assigning it to the name, I'm going to assign it to the variable which is first name. Yeah, so the first name, the variable first name, will be assigned the value, assigned what is being input by the user. So I'm going to save it, run it. So it says what's your name. So this time I'm thinking of student, which is Damien. Yep, so my name is Damien, and it's going to print Damien, and it says learning is Python is fun for Damien. So in this whole exercise, what we are doing is we are taking the user input and assigning it to the variable, and then we are using that variable for desired results. That in this case we are printing it to the console. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for listening.